So.
Okay, Ceice or Cecilia Cooney Wickett here, December 6th. This is my most recent drawing in the Sightseeing with Dignity Human Rights Art Series I began around 2003. And Alvin Tamarkin was a high school classmate of mine, and I was very active in the anti-war movement. We hardly knew each other. He inscribed his photo in my copy of our high school yearbook with "Kenny, I hope you get your riot," which gave me, someone I know, a chuckle recently when I mentioned that to him. Anyway, we got together after I got back from Haight-Ashbury around November '68. And we got together in New York City 2 or 3 times. And just in a really short, he was going to a New York University campus later, and I went to visit him in February '69. A roommate of his told me he was on heroin. I couldn't see him. And then next thing I heard might have been a couple of months later from another high school classmate who grew up near me. She told me he was in a psychiatric hospital. And then I tried to find out where because I wanted to go visit him. Didn't find out. And then in mid-late June '69, I learned he had committed suicide in the hospital. And my memorial to him, oops, low battery.